So when the coronavirus pandemic started, we noticed that professional disinfecting teams and also businesses need a solution to quickly and efficiently spray disinfectant onto common touch points, because we know the virus can stay alive on surfaces for 3 days. So we need to regularly disinfect common touch points with disinfectant. Our engineers in our research and development department jumped to work very quickly, including myself, and we came up with a solution to help you in the fight against coronavirus. Luckily, we are using our existing backpack technology, which we've been manufacturing with the pump system over 3 years, and this is also our grip and switch and connections which we use on our floor scrubbing equipment. So we designed this special end cap and special jet nozzle, which we're actually 3D printing at the moment. We've got 3 printers doing over 100 a day of these to keep up with the demand. We then researched many jet nozzles. What micron do you need? What do you need to know about coverage, contact time, so that you know how you're applying the disinfectant is going to be effective. Something interesting what we found was everybody's asking what micron should I be spraying. So the interesting thing is we found that micron is actually not an accurate measure for effectively applying disinfectant. If the micron droplet you're applying is too small, the chemical can dry too quick, and you won't get the contact time stated by the disinfectant chemical. If the micron size of the droplet is too big, you can end up with gaps in between the droplets. If there's a gap, then there could be a virus there, and the contact point could be left at risk. Again, just think, if you see a droplet on the surface, then that means there are gaps in between the droplets, and gaps equals risk, because we're trying to kill a virus which does not move. It stays on the surface stationary and can live there for 3 days, and it takes one virus to infect a planet in 3 months, like we've seen with the coronavirus. If you actually look at the surface, there's actually no moisture on there at all, it's dry.